Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MICT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and the biggest volume this chart has had in quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. Let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above $1.15. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $1.15, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above it, that would certainly be a huge sign of power, no doubt about it. Next level of support after that, down there at that point, which, oh, that makes it easy, the dollar mark. So $1.15 and $1, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at the big picture of it all, that is where the purple line here comes into play, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very simplistic point of view, in terms of, hey, Clay, how do I gauge the strength of the current price movement? Simply put, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves itself higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health, full strength. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, let's try to figure out where some next potential battlegrounds may be waiting. So for resistance, going to need to go back into the chart's history. We actually may need to change. This is a good problem to have. I realize it's getting hard to see. Yeah, let's just go change the time history here. There we go. So now I can zoom back in. Again, good problem to have because that just means the price has not been up this high for a very long time. So the next key overall area of resistance, we'll try to split the difference. Call it right up there at $1.35. So $1.35, next overall area going back through the history of the chart. You can see that, it acted as resistance there, and then way back here a bunch of times the price was flirting up around that area. So $1.35, public enemy number one. But all in all, very nice way to close out the week. So this one should be interesting next week. So we'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.